The Boy and the Cat Who Traveled to the Moon. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Minho who loved gazing at the sky. At night, he would look up at the twinkling stars and the glowing moon, letting his imagination take flight. Who might live on the moon? What might it look like? Minho often wondered aloud while staring at the moon. Minho had a constant companion, his cat Luna, who would tilt her head and meow whenever Minho spoke of the moon. An invitation from the moonlight. One clear night, Minho lay in his yard with Luna, gazing up at the moon. That night, the moon appeared larger and brighter than ever. "Luna, doesn't the moon look bigger tonight?" Minho whispered. Suddenly, the moonlight grew stronger, enveloping Minho and Luna. "What's happening?" Minho gasped as he opened his eyes to find a small glowing orb floating before him. "Hello, Minho. I'm Lumiel, a guide of the moonlight. I know you've always been curious about the moon, so tonight, I'll take you there. Would you like to come?" Minho, filled with excitement, nodded eagerly. "Really? Can Luna come too?" "Of course. Luna is your dear friend," Lumiel replied with a smile. The journey to the moon. Lumiel led Minho and Luna onto a glowing path of moonlight. "Follow this moonlight path, and it will take us to the moon." As they traveled higher and higher, Minho watched the world below grow smaller. Passing through clouds and flying among the stars, he felt like he was in a dream. "Wow, it's so beautiful here. The stars feel so close," Minho exclaimed in awe. Luna purred, wagging her tail beside him. Arriving in the moon's realm. When they arrived, Minho and Luna were left speechless. The moon's surface was covered with silvery sands, and the sky sparkled with dancing starlight. Small beings were waiting for them. "Welcome, guests from Earth," one of them greeted. It was a moon fairy with a tiny body and shimmering wings. "Welcome to the moon. It must have been a long journey," the fairy said warmly. As Minho greeted the fairies, he began to explore the moon's magical landscape. Lumiel explained the moon's mysteries. Time and gravity work differently here, which is why you can jump so high and feel so light. Minho laughed as he leapt high into the air. "This is amazing. I've never jumped this high before." The moon's crisis. While enjoying their time, Minho and Luna overheard the fairies speaking worriedly. "The Moonlight Spring is weakening. If it fades away completely, our moon will be left in darkness." Minho approached the fairies and asked, "What's the Moonlight Spring?" "It's the source of all energy for our moon. Recently, its light has been fading, and we can't restore it on our own," a fairy explained. Determined to help, Minho said, "Luna and I will help you. Tell us how to restore the spring." The search for the Moonlight Spring. The fairies guided Minho and Luna to the Moonlight Spring, located in the deepest valley of the moon. "The path will be difficult, with trials awaiting you. But if you show courage and sincerity, you can succeed," a fairy explained. With the fairies leading the way, Minho and Luna ventured toward the valley. The journey was tough, but Minho never gave up. Luna stayed close by, encouraging him with her comforting presence. "Do you think we can do this, Luna?" "Meow," Luna replied, her tail swishing confidently. Meeting the guardian of the spring. At the valley, they encountered the guardian of the Moonlight Spring, a majestic figure with great wings that glimmered like the stars. "Welcome, travelers. To restore the spring, you must show your true heart," the guardian said. The guardian asked Minho, "Why do you wish to save the spring?" Minho thought for a moment before replying, "Without this spring, the friends here on the moon cannot survive. I'll do whatever it takes to help them." The guardian smiled and said, "Your sincerity has been felt. The light of the spring can now be restored, bringing light back to the moon." Minho and Luna stood by the spring, holding hands or paws. "We can do this together, Luna," Minho said. At that moment, the spring began to glow brilliantly, spreading light across the entire moon. The fairies and moon dwellers cheered with joy. "Thanks to you, the moon is alive again. We are forever grateful," they said, returning home. With the moon's crisis resolved, Minho and Luna prepared to return home. "Will we ever meet again?" Minho asked the fairies. "Whenever the moonlight calls to you, you'll always find your way back here," a fairy replied with a smile. Minho and Luna followed the moonlight path back to their home.